Hello everyone, myself Jakaria Kamal. This video is about project management paid task mini platform application provided by Raiko AI, using Flutter, FastAPI, and PostgreSQL. First of all, I'm going to give a brief explanation what I do in that project. Actually, here I have three roles: admin, buyer, and developer. Admin can admin can see total number of project, total tasks, completed tasks, that kinds of stuff. And buyer can create project, assign tasks to developer, define hourly rate per task, see the task progress, and make the payment. Finally, buyer allowed to download the user submitted work. Then the developer can view the assigned task, update task status, and then time take to complete the task, and finally upload the zip file. But developer directly cannot take the payment from the buyer. Buyer actually give the payment to system, and system give the payment to the developer. So let's see overview of that project. Here you can see the login page. Uh, Before I already created some user, so I'm not going to create new user. So for the first of all, I want to see the developer profile. In the password field, I make it visible because my phone didn't allow me to record screen if I restrict the password field. That's why I make it visible. So let's go to the developer profile. Here you can see the four tab: all job, apply job, running job, and complete job. In all job, actually show the all open job posted by the all the buyer. The developer can see the project and click the project and read the description. Based on that, they can submit a proposal like we do in the Upwork. And here you can see the applied field. So far, the developer, how many job they apply and how many are accepted and how many are pending. That's kinds of thing actually showing here. And that's the running platform, running job. This is the running job actually going. This is from here actually developer can update the progress, how many hours it will take, and finally upload the submission task. And then here is so for the completed job by a developer, how many job actually a developer assign and how many job they done perfectly. Here actually it will show. Okay, let's go to the developer profile, buyer profile, and we so that's the buyer profile. Let's create a new job. Let's see job title AI and mobile application helper. We need a news. Also, so hourly rate suppose 10 and it will take suppose 30 hours, and we need skill text like Flutter and AI. So the buyer actually create the job. So look at that, buyer actually create the job, and this job is posted, and this is the awaiting for the developer. Let's go to the developer profile. Okay, developer profile. Here actually you can see the latest job post recently created by a buyer. So let's look at the project. So okay, description, title, description, hourly rate, Flutter AI. So write up proposal for the project. Hello, here myself. So suppose I want to do that job in $7, right? So little bit low that. So okay, submit task. So this is how many developer can submit the proposal for a project. Let's go to the buyer profile. Let's go to the buyer profile. Let's see that. Here you can see that the projected, and this is the proposal from a developer. So if suppose 10 developer submit a proposal for that job, then all the proposal will be listed here. So suppose I am a buyer and I love that proposal and I accept that proposal. Suppose, so you can see that the proposal is accepted. No more show here because developer is already assigned for that project. You can see that AI and mobile application. So this is in a to do, not any kinds of progress come from the developer. Let's go to the developer profile. So this is the developer profile. This is a developer profile. Here you can see that the running job is like AI and mobile application developer. So developer can click that here. Suppose all the tasks already done. So he suppose the developer said it will take 25 hours, and so file is already selected. Let's submit the task. So a task is submitted successfully. So you can see that status is submitted. So let's go to the buyer profile. So buyer profile. Here you can see that buyer profile, AI and mobile application. So okay, so you can see that task is already submitted, solution submitted. So but look here, the buyer can't download that task directly without payment. So after the payment, the download button will be visible. So let's pay. So you can see that payment is successful, and here is the download solution button. So this is how actually it's work, and so this task is already done. Let's see again to the developer profile. So developer profile, you can see that the task is not anymore in the running project. This task is already completed. Mobile application developer, so completed and paid by the system. So this all about for buyer and developer, and also have our admin user. Admin can see some tasks also. So here is our admin. Here you can see our admin profile. So in our system, total 3 buyers are already present in our system and 2 developer. So total 15 project posted in our system. So total 13 tasks already assigned, and so to do is like 7 job not assigned to the developer so far, and here 6. So no, so sorry, 7 job are in progress, and total completed is 7 job already completed. So for total revenue $1,008 6 payment means 6 project already completed, total 90 hours. That's the total revenue, and that's the admin dashboard. Admin just only can see but cannot edit but modify directly in their system. Thank you so much.